Yo, my friends, today I'm dying of hay fever, and even Sensimilia is not helping, and that's bad. But I'm dying of hay fever because I'm gonna do these shelves. Well, this shelf in this Bentley Sitch material. So probably no one's cleaned it. I took it off in 25 years, and that's why I'm dying here. Oh. So I'll take off the old shit first, because as you can see it's already like sagging here and everything. So if you don't want this coming up, you need to remove it.
So that we can make something sexy like this. Or even like this, baby. Oh yeah.
Let me give you a word of advice about sticking it onto large surfaces. So I would roll it in a roll like this, so you can do it bit by bit. So do, for example, this area first. Apply plenty of glue, lay it down, press it nice and hard so that you get all the different like creases in there, and then roll this side back, apply glue about this much at a time, and carry on rolling it and rubbing it in. So let's give it a go in a minute. Надрачиваем хорошенько баночку.
Like with any can of paint or glue, you need to shake it. You need to shake it like a Polaroid picture. And then you need to apply a nice fat layer so everything sticks on very nicely. It is best to use some cloth or microfibers to rub it in very nicely. Keep rubbing and rubbing until all the surfaces stick to it like glue, so it's all nice and tight.
Oh, by the way, someone said that this glue helps in case of bad case of hay fever or dust allergy. Been fucking spraying it up there all day long. I'm not helping, but at least this is looking nice and cushy. Beginning to anyway. So once it's stuck down, wait about an hour for it to stick down properly. Then cut it around the edge. Make sure you leave enough of an edge so that you can wrap it round. And then carefully start wrapping it round and securing with a few pegs so that it's all nice and tight. So now let's wait for it to dry a bit more, and then turn it around, glue it all down at the back, and also we need to cut out the speakers carefully. Finally it's beginning to take shape, so time to turn it around to stick all the edges around the back, plus cut out our speaker holes. Another golden tip I give to you for free, my friends, is cut out the speaker holes when you've got it upside down. Then you can see exactly how much material you need to cut so that you don't cut it short and fuck up. So then you have to stick down all the edges so that it's all nice and tight and secure. So once you've secured all the edges with clips, you can now turn it around and finally leave it to dry overnight with some more presses on it. So that's where we got to in the end. Took us half a day, but it is all okay, baby. I'd say more than okay, better than okay even. About 10 materials, and I'd say it looks like Bentley, baby, if not better. So the red speakers are gonna complement that quite decently, I think. So see, very easy to do. So see, I don't just chat shit. Even when I've got the worst hay fever in the world, I show you how to do the most beautiful pieces in the world. So stay tuned. Next series, we're gonna finish off those door cards, hopefully.